Hi, I'm Jason. If you're a small business owner, you probably know that posting consistently on social media can help you attract new customers. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and posting on all of those platforms would be great. But here's the problem. Manually uploading the same video to all platforms takes forever. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Repurpose.io as a small business owner to automate that process. As with Repurpose.io, you'll be able to, with a few clicks, post one video on all social media platforms. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and test out this platform for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you will be redirected to Repurpose.io homepage. And from here, you're going to tap on Start Automating for free. And as you can see, with Repurpose.io, you will be able to publish 10 videos for free. So you're just going to tap on Start Automating, and you can sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing you want to do is connect your social media platforms. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Connections. After selecting Connections, you can see that I have my YouTube channel connected, a TikTok account, and also an Instagram account. You're going to tap on Add New Connection in the top right-hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to see two options. You will see Source and you will see Destination, and you'll also see Source/Destination. The source will be the platform that you'll take the video from. So for example, I could upload a TikTok video and I could set it up so that it automatically posts on Instagram and also YouTube. And YouTube automatically will be the destination. So with YouTube, I can use either one of these sources. I could use Instagram as the source, so I could automatically post Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts, or I can do the same to Facebook, as Facebook can be used as either a source or destination. And you can see that with Pinterest, I could use TikTok, for example, as the source, so I could automatically post on TikTok and then upload it onto Pinterest. So that is the difference between source and destination, as you can see right here. So you simply want to tap on one of the platforms. After you have done that, from there you can choose to connect it. I've already connected 3 accounts and it's quite straightforward. All you need to do is log in. Once you have done that, you're going to create your first workflow. So you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on Create Workflow. After you have selected Create Workflow, you're going to see the sources that you have connected, and you'll also see the destinations that you have connected. So for example, let's say I were to tap on Connect TikTok. After you have tapped on Connect TikTok, you're going to select Get Started. Once you have selected Get Started, you're going to wait a few seconds while it creates the new workflow. So you can see right there, the workflow is now active. And by the way, when it comes onto Repurpose.io, once you have connected the workflow, all you need to do now, you can tap on the 3 dots right here. After you have tapped on the 3 dots, from there you could tap right where you see Settings. After selecting Settings, you can further customize it. So if it is a case that you like to skip a particular video that has a certain hashtag or keyword, you can do that. Or you can choose to only publish videos containing a particular hashtag or keyword. And then from there, you can also select YouTube or your destination. And if you like to remove the TikTok hashtags when reposting, you can simply tap right here to remove them. And you can choose to add custom text if you want. And you can also see automatically publish a custom comment for each video. You can choose to do that if you want by selecting Enable. You can tap right here where you see Use AI to auto-generate post caption. You can do that if you want. You can also tap on Content, and from here you could upload, for example, an intro video, and you could also upload an outro if you want. And you can see auto trim videos to appear as YouTube Shorts. You can do that if you want, and you can select the preferred YouTube duration. You can also select Advanced, and from here you'll be able to add YouTube tags that you would like to apply. You can also set the default text language and so on. And if you like to upload thumbnail to YouTube, you can do that. And once you have selected Publish, from here you can choose whether you would like to auto-publish the content, as you can see right here. repurpose content as soon as published or repurpose content based on schedule. So you could tap on repurpose based on schedule. Then from there you could set up the schedule if you want, as you can see right here. So this is where you'll be able to choose, for example, if you like to repurpose past content. So you can see right here, existing content only. And then from there you could backtrack. You can choose to post from a specific date. So if you have old content, you could choose to do that. You could choose to repurpose from then. And then from there you could select from oldest. And then you can select post, how often you like to post. So for example, if you like to post 2 times per day, you can do that. Then you can select the time that you would like to post. So you'll be able to set up a schedule, as you can see right here. Then you'll select save, and just like that you'll have created your first workflow. After you have created your workflow, what I want you to do next is you're going to simply tap right where you see, so let me close this real quick. You can tap right here on get latest content. After you have selected get latest content, it is going to simply refresh it. Once it has been refreshed, you'll see you'll see the amount of content that you have. So for example sake, if I were to tap on view workflow, after selecting view workflow, you can see the single TikTok video that I've uploaded, and you can see that it has also been published onto my YouTube channel. So for example, if I were to go onto TikTok right now and upload a new video, let's say I were to post this video, so I'll simply select post right here. Once it has been published, you'll give it a few seconds. For now, it is under review. Once it has been cleared, I'm going to go back into repurpose.io, and I'm going to show you how it will automatically be posted onto my YouTube channel. And if I were to go onto YouTube, you can see right here the TikTok video has automatically been added to my YouTube shorts. So it automates the entire process for you. Okay, it has been published now, as you can see right here. So if I were to go back into repurpose.io, all I would simply need to do is, once here, I'm just going to tap on workflows once more. After selecting workflows, from there I can tap on get latest content. After you have selected get latest content, you can see it refreshing. And then you're going to see it move from 1 to 2, as it will now pick up the second video. After it has picked up the second video, as you can see right here, it will automatically push that video. So you can see right here, the second video has been picked up. What now I would need to do, I could simply tap on schedule if I want. And then from there I could choose to schedule it, or I could choose to publish it. Now, if you're just getting started, what I would recommend you do is, for a few of your videos, I'll recommend that you do this manually, as you want to ensure that you have the format correct, and you also want to add hashtags, for example. And as you can see right here, you can choose to upload a thumbnail if you want. So you can tap on upload thumbnail. Then once you're finished, you can tap on publish now. After you have selected publish now, you'll give it a few seconds, and it is going to publish the video. So you can see right there, it is processing it. Once it is finished publishing the video, you can go onto the social media platform that you're pushing the video to. So for example, if I were to go onto YouTube Shorts and then refresh the page, you'll automatically see that that video has been published also. So that's the whole process when it comes onto repurpose.io. You can upload one video and it will automatically be pushed to numerous social media platforms without you doing anything. And you can automate the entire process. So for example sake, if you were to connect, for example, your Google Drive file, you can upload numerous videos and you could just automate the entire process for the entire month. When it comes on to pricing with Repurpose.io, you can get started for free, as you can see right here. And then from there, they have the starter plan, which would be $35 per month. So you'll be billed $1.17 per month. With that, you'll be able to connect up to 3 accounts for each social network. So for example, you can connect 3 Instagram, 3 TikToks, and 3 YouTube. And you'll be able to publish up to 5,000 videos per month. Then you have the Pro option, which would cost $79 per month, and you'll be able to connect 10 accounts for each social network. Then you have the agency option, which would be for $179 per month. It is designed for teams or agencies managing several brands and support up to 25 accounts for each social network with unlimited publishing. For most solo entrepreneurs and small business owners, the starter plan should be enough. The pro or agency plans make more sense if you manage several